If someone handed me $50,000 today, I would not overcomplicate it. I would follow a very simple strategy focused on long-term growth and cash flow. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I would do with 50K and how I would allocate it. And if you want to see the full breakdown after this video, I've created the free guide. If I had 50K to invest in 2026, here's exactly what I would do. I would follow that framework step by step. The first thing I would do with 50K is I would actually max out all of my retirement accounts. And if you have access to any tax advantage accounts like a Roth IRA, 401k, or even a SEP IRA, I would focus on those accounts first before doing anything else. These accounts grow tax-free or have tax advantages and are just focused on long-term growth and compounding interest, which I hope we all love. Once my retirement accounts are fully funded and handled, the next thing I would do is look for strong operators with a good track record. These are people that would be actively running real estate projects without you having to do a single thing. You don't have to manage subcontractors, go to the job site, even understand or really know how development happens, but that is exactly where I would start. Because of course, we don't want to be the ones doing the work. Depending on whatever that minimum investment looks like, I would either split up the remaining $50,000 that I have and split it across multiple investment opportunities, or pick one that I strongly believe in. Personally, I like opportunities that have a clear timeline and pay distributions. That could look like anywhere from a project being 6, 12, or even 18 months. With any of those options having monthly or quarterly dividends. I hope you take away that the goal is not just growth, it's also creating cash flow. So your money keeps working and generates income. If you want to see the full allocation on how I would invest $50,000, I have a free guide called If I Had 50K to Invest in 2026, here's exactly what I would do, and it does not involve tenants or toilets. Inside the guide, I walk you through the percentages, the strategy, and the framework that I would follow step by step. You can download it using the link in the description below. So if I had 50K to invest today, I would keep it super simple. I would max out all of my retirement accounts first, then I would find strong operators to invest the remaining capital, or taking all of that and invest it into one strong deal. This approach allows you to grow your money long-term and also creating cash flow along the way. If you want the full breakdown, download my free guide, If I Had 50K to Invest in 2026, here's exactly what I would do, linked below. And if you loved today's video, be sure to watch my next video, How to Invest in Real Estate Without Being a Landlord. My name is Yasha Wells, and I help everyday people earn double-digit returns backed by real estate. Bye.